Mabuhay! This is Justine Escaso, all the way from Sag Island, Philippines. And I live in the island where there is a lot of way how to earn everything, like money, food, but we need to put our compassion and hard work to survive. As a islander, regardless of what background you have, what status your family, if you really make effort and have determination, you will be able to learn a great result. If I will be crowned as your next Master TPC, I will do my best to champion people, because we need nowadays is not just a king with a handsome face, but we need a king not afraid to speak and to stand